Hi everyone. Today we will discuss a new topic, subject-verb agreement, concord. I am Dr. Savita. I request all of you to make notes for better understanding. Let us start. Subject-verb agreement, concord. What is the meaning of concord? Concord literally means harmony, agreement. It's a kind of compatibility between two things or two persons. When we talk about sentences, concord means harmony or agreement between different parts of a sentence, especially the subject and the verb. Let us see one example. The child has gone. In the next example, the children have gone. Verbs must agree with their subject in number and person. We call this agreement concord. In these two examples, you can see if the subject is singular, it takes singular verb. If the subject is plural, it takes plural verb. In simple words, whenever the form of verb is affected by the number of the subject, we need to choose the form accordingly. Subject verb simply means the subject and the verb agree in number. This means both need to be singular and both needs to be plural. The personal pronoun I is a special case for the use of form of the verb be. Here are some of the rules for subject verb agreement. First one is the verb must agree with the subject in number and person. If the subject is singular, the verb should also be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb should also be plural. You can see in the example, he is a good boy. He is singular here and the singular is verb there. Next example, they are good players. Plural subject and plural verb. Next, when two or more singular subjects are joined together by and, plural verb is used. Let us see example. Ram and Sham. These two singular subjects are joined together by using and, as you can see. So plural verb is used. Let's move to the next one. If two singular nouns refer to the same person, the verb must be singular. My friend and mentor has come. Next, if two subjects together express one idea, keep one thing in mind that if there are two subjects and that express one idea, you can see in the example, early to bed, early to rise. So verb will be in singular form. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. In the next example, you can see slow and steady wins the race. Next, if singular subjects have each and every before them, the verb is usually singular. For example, every man, woman and child was lost. Each day and each hour brings its duty. Two or more singular subjects connected by or, nor, either, neither, nor take a verb in the singular. For example, neither Hari nor Ravi has come. Which of the pens would you like to write with? Either is fine. Next, when the subjects joined by or, nor, or of different numbers persons, the verb agrees in person with the one nearest to it. स्टेटमेंट को ध्यान से देखें आप. See the example. Hari or his brothers. Hari is singular. His brothers plural have done this. We have to see the nearest one. His brother. This is plural. So plural verb will be used here. In the next example, either the boy or his parents have gone there. You can see the other examples also. Let's move to the next slide. Some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning. Take a singular verb. For example, news, measles, mumps. This is one of the important rule of subject-verb agreement. The news is true. Physics is a branch of natural science. Next, some nouns like spectacles, glasses, trousers, socks, pliers, etc. are regarded as plural, hence they take plural verb. If यहाँ पर एक चीज देखने वाली है, if they are preceded by the phrase pair of, अगर phrase use किया है pair of, they take singular verb. Let us see the examples. My socks are lying in the second drawer. A pair of socks. Pair use किया यहाँ पे. So we will take a singular verb here is lying on the floor. The indefinite pronouns like anyone, everyone, someone, no one, everybody, somebody, each are always singular. So it will take a singular verb. For example, somebody has left his book. Everybody was present in the meeting. Here's some more rules. The indefinite pronouns, a majority of, most of, all, and some may be singular or plural. You have to see this statement again. Depending upon what they are referring to, is countable or uncountable. अब सेंटेंस में हमें ये देखना है कि जहाँ पर a lot of, some of दिया गया है, जो हमारी सब्जेक्ट है, क्या वो काउंटेबल है या अनकाउंटेबल है. लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल्स. A lot of, some of, all the pens are missing. Pens आप काउंट कर सकते हैं. These are countable noun. So we have used verb accordingly. In the next example, most of, some of, all the milk is gone. Milk is uncountable. So we have used singular verb here. Next, few, several, both, many, always take plural verbs. And few, many, several were present during the discussion. Here are some other examples. When, here, there act as formal subjects in a sentence. Verb is determined by its real subject. For example, there are 30 chairs. This is plural subject in that room, but here is only one singular subject, desk. So verb will be used accordingly. In the sentences that expresses wishes are contrary to the fact, were replaces was. जो wishes है उसके अंदर was की जगह were use किया जाएगा. I wish it were Sunday. If he were here, you would be sorry. Mass nouns, abstract nouns, many other nouns are considered uncountable. Singular in English, take singular form of verb. For example, luggage, baggage, information, coffee, gold, ice, dust, stone, wood, beauty, bread, mercy, weather, furniture. So this sort of work does not require much experience. Bread is of superior quality in this area. So these kind of nouns are uncountable and they take always singular verb. Next, distances, periods of time, sums of money, etc. When regarded as a unit, जब एक इकाई के रूप में ये काम करेंगे, they will take singular verb. Like 15 kilometers is a long distance. 5 lakh rupees is very high price for this old car. Some collective nouns such as jury, committee, team, audience, family, staff, couple, etc. take singular or plural verb depending on their use in the sentence. Let's see the example. The jury were divided in their opinion. Jury here is used. A group of members and having the different opinions. So that's why we have used plural verb here. In the next sentence, the jury was. Here it was used as a singular subject, so singular verb is used here. In the last line, a relative pronoun used as a subject of an adjective clause takes a verb that agrees with its antecedent. For example, a food item that contains pesticides is harmful for our health. Food items, these are plural, that contain pesticides are harmful for our health. Madhu is one of the students who have done honor to the college. And next, Madhu is the only one of all our students who has done honor to the college. That's it. Here are some references. Thanks for watching.